Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Wireshark latest version 4.4.8. Okay, so first go to Wireshark official website, that is Wireshark org. Hit enter, then click on download now. See the latest stable release is 4.4.8. So for Windows we have to click on this Windows x86 installer. So click on it to download. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is 83 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install Wireshark 4.4.8. Okay. See download is completed. Click on this exe file. Click on next. See this is the license agreement. Go through it and click on noted. Then click on next and see here optionally you can select these components. Okay, I want to install all. So select all and click on next. And see here it is going to create shortcuts. If you don't want, unselect it. Okay, if you want to create shortcut, desktop shortcut, you have to select this one. Okay, so I want also, click on next. This is the installation directory. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the path. I'm okay with the default location, then click on next. If you want to install Npcap, you have to select this one. Next, install WinPcap also. Next, see now it is installing Wireshark 4.4.8. Again, this is license agreement for Npcap. Select I agree. Next, that is install. See installation complete. Click on next. And if you want to see the release notes, you have to select this one. I don't want, so click on finish. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. Then see here we have the Wireshark application. Click on it to open. See, got the Wireshark application. See, we have these options to capture. Okay, you can click on any one of them and you have to click on capture. Okay, so you can practice by going to documentation or user guide. See here, and wikis also. See here we have different options for learning. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Wireshark 4.4.8 on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.